StoneTech has been in business for over 33 years and evolved into fabrication of countertops and vanity tops and everything slab related. We were manual from then until 2015. We took on more machinery in order to supply the material, the fabrication for, being able to measure 40 units on a Monday and install 40 units that same Friday for a commercial job while running our normal retail business was really all made possible by the technology. It's allowed us to tremendously grow the business. The machinery has greatly increased the turnaround time, especially with the miter, with the CNC saws and the water jets. Our miter work went from being a 2-week turnaround to being the same 1-week turnaround that we do on our normal countertops. There's no comparison in the quality. We started from seeing just mitered islands here and there to now doing entire kitchens out of 2.5-inch miter, 2-inch miter. So we're mitering everything from Calcutta kitchens to all the different quartz, and now to lots and lots of porcelain. Porcelain has come on very strong, and of course the porcelain being not a color through product, you need to do that 1-inch or 1.5-inch or 2-inch miter in the whole kitchen. We even designed special sinks for the company that we do the porcelain for that integrate right into the countertop with the new 5-axis Waterjet. We're able to create 4-piece bottom with the pitch drains and everything. So the miter has certainly progressed to I think the highest level. And we've went from producing 300 square feet up to 2,500 feet a day if we wanted to. So the quality is no comparison. The seaming tools that we run on the CNC, the sink cutouts being perfect with all the accessories that you can put in those holes. There's just really no comparison. The OG edges, the waterfall edges, all of that you just can't compare to how we used to do it manually. Our Waterjet almost exclusively miters all day long. Cutting and mitering porcelain, cutting and mitering natural stone, cutting and mitering Decton. That's really where what that machine spends its time doing. The productivity of the twin table definitely gives us the ability to stage a job, get it ready. Any questions asked about layout are kind of taken care of, so we can move and just set up the other table while that's rolling. The twin table is a huge benefit over a single table. The programmers, the guys who handle the material, they get very creative with how to load the machines and routing sinks and routing islands, combining jobs and things like that. They really know what they're doing. They really are a reason we can produce what we produce. Our return rate of jobs that go out is under 1%. We have the best equipment besides the CNCs that give us that miter and the Waterjet. We have, the lighting that you see in there is very, very bright LED lighting. I put our mitered product against other people and have won big jobs by that. Our #1 sales tool is definitely the quality of the finished product. We've really gotten it to a point where we deal with the highest end of KMBs and architects and designers, and they're all just used to a certain quality that we provide for them that most of them haven't seen before. A lot of those clients are still, they're like, okay, so what's the caveat with StoneTech? You know what I mean? The price is good, the quality is awesome, the turnaround is good, the communication in the office is perfect, the infrastructure from services to scheduling to the commercial department, there's always some place for them to go to get answers. And I certainly use Northwood as a big sales tool, because when we tour of the whole shop, we want to do that. And a big selling point for me is explaining to them why we went American, right? We explain all of them where these machines are built. See this Waterjet, with the gauging ball coming down, to test the thickness of the stone. They see the Waterjet kicking in. It gets people excited. You can't go to many shops and see all of that. So that's why they're getting a quality product. It's a sales tool. It's saying Northwood and having the colors on there is something that we sell. The customers know that we pay for quality, and the quality of everything from the stone to fabrication process to the installation. They're getting that same quality. From the time that we took on the technology of Northwood, which like I said was the end of 2015, our volume has gone up sixfold. So we are producing 6 times the amount of volume. We're doing 6 times the sales, you know, as we were doing in previous years. And you know, the machinery is a huge part of that. You know, the right machinery, the right salespeople, the right people in-house, the right installers. That's, you know, that's all what got us to this point.